What's up everybody, it's your boy Joshua, and today again I am going to teach you a very basic class. This class today is about articles. Articles a, an, and the. We use the article a is when we talk about things that is general. For example, a book or a pencil. You use this one before a noun, okay? We say a book, we say a pencil, we say a pen. The other one is an, but this one is used in front of a vowel. For example, you cannot say a apple because we have another a in front of it. You better say an apple, okay? An. Why? We cannot connect the two a together. In that case, we say an, okay? It is an article that is describing things in general. You can say, for example, I want a piece of cake. I need a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee. I need a book. Okay? This is the different ways that you can use a and an. A, remember, is used before a noun, which is singular. These are articles that can be used in front of a noun that is singular. Example, a book, a pen, and a pencil. But we use an when we are talking about general things again, but when it is in front of a vowel. That means when we have to separate two vowels like a, e, or I. These are vowels that is very important. In that case, we have to say an article. We have to say an apple. We have to say an hour. Not a hour, but an hour. Why? Because the H in front of hour is not pronounced. You say an hour, okay? Now, let's talk about the other article, which is the. The article the is used for specific things. That means you know this one and you are talking about specific things. Things that you know exactly what you want. The book, that means the book that is right there. The pencil, that means the pencil, you know exactly the one that you are using. The window, you know exactly what you are talking. But if you say, for example, a pen, that means it is a pen that is around all the other pens that is in a classroom or in your bag, but you do not specify. But if you say the pen, that means the pen that is in my hand or the pen that is in your bag, and you know exactly the color. You can say, for example, the blue pen, the red jacket, the blue chair. Okay? This is a different way that you can use the article the. Remember, the can use for singular or plural. Okay? You can use it for singular or plural. Singular, the book. Plural, the books. You put S at the end. I am going to do another video where I am going to show you how you can use plural and how you can use singular so you can speak very good English. I wish that probably next time I am going to give you new information and more explanation so you can practice it better. Have a nice one.